Hi everyone! So today we are doing a different kind of video for you guys, and we just decided to do a challenge.
Yeah, so we've always kind of done travel videos a lot, and we kind of want to stray away from that just for a little bit because we want to show you our everyday life as well, not just the great places that we get to go see.
So we decided to do the boyfriend or girlfriend buys my outfit challenge. And for that, we are going to be going to Crescent Mall, which is like one of the closest malls to us in District 7. Mm-hmm. And then we are going to have a limit of 1 million VND, which is about like 56 Canadian dollars. Yeah, literally, you never buy any clothes. And we've been together for over 5 years now.
Yeah, so this will be fun. Alright, so I'm now on my own and no idea what to get or where to go. So let's just go in some random stores, shall we?
Alright, so the struggle that I'm having right now is trying to figure out what Keegan would like.
I don't think Katie likes graphic tees, from my understanding. She likes more of the plain stuff. But she definitely is girl power.
Ever since we started watching Queer Eye, he's been a lot more conscious about his fashion choices. So what I'm struggling with right now, he's always told me that he wants like a nice blue, like light blue, not like a dress shirt, but you know, like that looks like a dress shirt in a more casual fabric. So I wanted to get him one of those.
I don't think Katie would want one of these. But I sure do.
I'm trying to find Keegan's outfit. I just spotted him though. He doesn't see me. We're going to the same spot.
So many workers are confused why I'm in these girl stores all alone and looking at all of this stuff. We're gonna try Old Navy now, see how that is.
Yo!
No! Sneaker! Spotted someone. Sneaky.
My struggle is, should I do this blue that I know that he wants, or something like this, which would look like, I think that would look cute, but it's just very pastel-y, or should I go for just the classic white, which I think that would look really nice and clean. But I just don't know.
Okay, so I think I found a pair of shorts that she might like. Not really 100% sure, but it was kind of risky. We'll see. So now I'm taking a little break to kind of do a little bit of research, because I don't know what top will go with the shorts that I got. So we'll see.
I'm going to debate it a little bit. I'm also going to be a little bit over in my price. For some reason, any kind of Western store here is like double the price of what it would be at home. So we're in Old Navy right now. It's like ridiculously expensive for Old Navy, but oh well.
So much clothing. Which to choose?
I just saw Keegan leaving. He bought something. I didn't see what it was. But I really like this. It's like a nice, it's actually more coral than it's showing up on camera. But this is something I feel like Keegan would like because he wants to dress up more, but he just doesn't like these t-shirt length sleeves because it reminds him of being in school. So I think I'm gonna stick with this. I'm gonna go with the blue.
Oh goodness, I hope she likes these. We will see.
Okay, so I just bought Keegan's outfit. I am way over our limit. It's supposed to be a mil. I kind of doubled it, but I just really wanted those things. And I feel like they'll actually fit him, and I think he'll actually like and wear them. So, oops. Oh, there, he just texted me back. I just told him, he asked me how much I went over, and I said a lot. And this is what he sent me back. So I guess I'll tell him how much I spent and how many things.
Okay, so I am now all done. I got her 2 items. Went a little over the price range, but that's what she said too. So we'll see how it goes. I really think, I don't know, this one's gonna be on the fence, folks. We'll see. Reunited and it feels so good. All right, we're done now. So we're gonna go do some grocery shopping and then we're gonna head back to the apartment.
Yep.
How'd it go?
Reveal. I think, well,
Yeah.
I think you'll like what I chose.
Yeah.
I like it.
Well, that's all that matters.
Exactly. You'll wear it no matter what.
Yeah, I think you'll like mine. We'll wait and see. Who's going first? Who's doing the first one? Who gets first try?
I'll go first.
So like you take my thing?
No, I'll show you
Okay.
what I got.
Do I look yet?
Open. So I grabbed
Oh.
these like baby pink, baby pink shorts. I know you have these ones, but
It's
they're
a different color.
Yeah, it's different. And I thought they looked really cute.
Yeah. These
So
are nice.
hopefully they're a slim fit. So I hope they fit.
Who knows? Here in Vietnam,
Size
one of
is
the big
big.
fits.
Yeah, but they're Old Navy, so
That's true.
it should be the same fit as back home.
Nice.
And then from there, this is the one thing where I'm not sure if you're gonna like,
Okay.
because you told me before that you don't like them.
Oh, perfect. That's a risky bet.
But I want you to wear it, and I thought that it would look cute. So, the second thing I got was a striped t-shirt.
Oh no, I think I don't like to. My strategy, or not my strategy, my idea behind striped shirts is that every time I see them, I think you're like a sailor on the captain's thing, like ready for a musical.
I thought it was cute, and it's not just like a regular striped shirt. Like, you won't be able to see it on camera, but it's got like very, very thin little stripes in it. And I thought that with the pink shorts would look really cute.
Yeah.
To go over that, this is the thing where I wasn't gonna get it because then I would be okay.
You would've
I
been
would
alright?
still been over, I'm pretty sure.
Right, but not
But
as much.
not as over. But I felt like this would just really complete the outfit.
Okay. I'll
So,
allow it.
I got this blue, like
Yes.
cottony type. It's like a dress shirt, but it's casual, which I know
Yes.
Keegan wanted.
That is exactly what I wanted.
And I really like the color. I was struggling, as you guys will see. I was debating between this one and a white one, because I thought the white would look really nice, and I was scared that this would be too like bubblegummy.
No, I like this more because I wanted the blue, right? I wanted to
Yeah.
have that. That was nice.
I knew you would. So I thought that
Cool.
would look cute with like the sleeves rolled up and leave it open with the t-shirt underneath.
Nice. All right, Katie's turn now. So I went to 2 different. Actually, no, I went to like every store in the mall. Pretty much because I had an idea in my head. I had an idea. I saw the shorts first at Old Navy, and then I was like, I have an idea of what this will look like. And then I went to all these different stores, and I couldn't find the shirt, the top that matched my idea in my head.
Right.
So I kind of kept looking, and I found a different shirt that I think she'll like even more, actually.
Those are cute.
Yeah.
Little like floral shorts.
Yeah.
Now, I think they're cute. I normally wouldn't go for these just because the color scheme. I like the color scheme. The only thing that's throwing me off is the red. I just wish the red wasn't in it. Ooh, this looks cute. Looks promising. Ooh, very cute. So that's the front. It's like a nice silky material on the front, and the back is really pretty. I like that. I think that's really cute. And I like that you pulled the pink out of the shorts. Okay, so we will try this stuff on and we will show you what it looks like.
so what's the verdict?
For me, I would say Merp. I do like the shirt. I think it's pretty and I think that it is very me. It's just the sizing is weird, so I need to try a different size. The shorts, I don't love. I just don't love the pattern of them, so I do want to exchange those for a different color or for maybe a different pair of shorts. We'll see.
Fair enough. Me, the shorts were a little big. That's fine. You can exchange those. Well, but the shirt was good. I'm still not the biggest fan of striped shirts, but like I will wear this one, which is good. And I do like that blue, the blue dress shirt, and that's one that I've always wanted for a little bit now. So I'm happy that I got that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So good job, man.
Thank you. You too.
That was fun. That was a really good challenge. It'd be fun if you guys could try it out too. Let us know how it goes for you and your significant other.
Yep, and if you guys have any other videos that you would like to see, let us know down below in the comments.
Thanks again for joining us on Life K Squared, and we will see you next time.
Bye.